Okay, I think I figured out what the problem was. Okay, since that video got demonetized like 5 minutes, like maybe 10 minutes after it got uploaded, I think I know what the problem is. I think that what happened was, I think YouTube is having some technical difficulties in their algorithm, since both of them got demonetized within like the same amount of time. And I don't think it's anything that's controversial to do with my titles, because these are incredibly innocuous titles. So I really don't think it's anything to do with me and my videos. I think it's something to do with YouTube trying to work on their algorithm due to the Adpocalypse 2.0. I think right now, every video that gets uploaded just automatically gets demonetized, because I uploaded just 2 videos very recently, and within like 10 minutes, they both got demonetized. And yeah. So I think I'm not going to upload for a while until YouTube fixes this problem, which hopefully will be soon, because normally YouTube's pretty fast with someone like me, who doesn't produce really any controversial stuff at all, unless you count controversial within Hitalia. But yeah, I think this is just something that's within YouTube's algorithm right now. I think they're trying to fix it, and it's screwing up a lot. So until it gets fixed, I think I'm gonna take this one video down. But yeah, YouTube, you're drunk. Go home. Just take care of yourself. Take a shower. Maybe take some aspirin. Maybe get some good sleep. You gotta clean yourself up, man. You gotta clean yourself up.